Have you ever watched your money vanish without anyone touching it? Imagine a tiny stick figure watching gold slip through his fingers because he ignored the Bitcoin revolution. Meet Little Stick. He's like any of us, goes to work, saves a bit, dreams of a better future. But one thing trips him up: understanding money in a digital world. Little Stick thought money was just paper in your wallet, coins in your jar, and banks taking care of the rest. He didn't realize the world was changing, and a new kind of money was quietly reshaping everything: Bitcoin. Today, we'll see how ignoring this digital wave cost him dearly, and why understanding it could save you from the same fate. Little Stick's world is simple. You work, you save dollars, maybe buy some gold. Banks are like friendly giants guarding your treasure. Prices rise slowly. Life feels predictable. But here's the catch: the giant banks control money. They decide how much is in circulation. Print too much money, your dollars buy less. Print too little, economy slows down. Jobs vanish. Little Stick thought, I'm safe. I save, I'm fine. But he was wrong. Very wrong. One morning, Little Stick wakes up. The price of everything has gone up, but his savings didn't. Groceries cost more. Rent is higher. Even his favorite coffee seems expensive. He scratches his head. Where did my money go? Inflation slowly erodes wealth. Saving dollars alone isn't enough. Meanwhile, on the internet, a glowing golden coin appears: Bitcoin. No bank controls it. Only a limited number will ever exist: 21 million. Digital, secure, and global. Little Stick hears whispers. It's risky, but it protects value in a way dollars can't. He shrugs. Digital coins? Sounds like video game money. Years pass. Little Stick's dollars lose value. Bitcoin holders see their savings grow. Our hero? Left behind. He wonders, why did I work hard, save money? Why am I poorer than before? Ignoring new systems of money can cost more than money. It costs opportunity. Imagine you were offered two paths: a slowly sinking boat, your cash in a system that prints endlessly, or a boat with a leak-proof transparent hull. Bitcoin, limited and predictable. Most people stay in the first boat because it's familiar. Little Stick stayed too, until he realized he was drowning financially while others sailed ahead. Think of Bitcoin like digital gold: limited supply, hard to mine. Or internet money, can be sent anywhere in minutes, no bank needed. Or a safe vault you control. Only you have the key. Little Stick now sees money isn't just paper. It's a system. If you ignore a new system, it can quietly take your future. Many people say Bitcoin is risky. I could lose everything. True, but your dollars are also risky. Inflation, government debt, banking crises. Risk isn't only about volatility. It's about ignorance. Little Stick realizes the biggest risk isn't Bitcoin. It's not understanding it. Let's map Little Stick's journey. He works hard and saves dollars, ignores Bitcoin thinking paper money is enough, inflation eats his savings, Bitcoin grows around him, and he realizes he missed a chance, but it's not too late to learn. Key takeaways: understand the system. Know how money works today. Diversify your knowledge. Digital assets like Bitcoin are part of the new financial world. Don't fear new ideas. Being late is better than never learning. And control your own keys. Ownership matters in a decentralized world. Little Stick picks up a Bitcoin, not to get rich instantly, but to understand the game. Money isn't just paper. It's power. It's freedom. It's opportunity waiting for those who understand it. Little Stick learned the hard way. Don't be like Little Stick. Learn, explore, and adapt. And even if you never touch Bitcoin, understanding it could save you from ending up like Little Stick, confused, watching wealth disappear, asking, why didn't I learn sooner? Remember, knowledge is the only coin that can never be inflated or stolen.